Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the most controversial and the hottest topic in AI right now. Is AI replacing humans? We've all seen the headlines warning of millions of jobs lost because of AI-based automation. And on the other hand, people also claim that AI is reshaping the future, reshaping the way we work. So, which one is true? Let's find out. Alright, let's talk about the question that I keep getting asked from my relatives, friends, community members, and all across people whom I talk to. Is AI actually replacing humans? And honestly, this isn't just a topic for tech geeks anymore. People are talking about it over dinner tables, while they have coffee, and even in offices. Not just that, some people do not even get sleep because of this worry. We've all seen the headlines, millions of jobs will be lost because of AI. And right next to it, you could have also seen headlines saying AI will create more jobs than it will destroy. So, which is it? Well, I've dug deeper into the recent studies, company announcements, and some real-world examples. And so today, I want to break it down for you. The good, the bad, and the messy middle. Okay, so let's start with what people fear the most: job losses. Yes, job losses aren't just hype, it's actually happening. Recent research from this year says that about 85 million jobs will be replaced or displaced by AI this year alone. And it's not just robots taking over humans in the factory. Roles in retail, customer service, data entry, and even some white-collar jobs with routine tasks are at serious risks. For example, jobs like cashier face up to a 65% of automation chance. And the crazy part is big companies are already acting on this reality. Major tech firms like Microsoft, IBM, and others have combined announced layoff of 14,000 plus employees, and the major factor being AI and automation. So the fear has numbers behind it. So that brings us to the point with a twist. While a lot of jobs are getting displaced, many more are getting created. And thanks to AI, according to the same study, about 97 million new jobs can be created because of the advancement in AI. Now, these aren't the same jobs that we lost. These are new, specialized roles that didn't even exist a decade ago. Jobs like AI trainers, prompt engineers, the professionals who teach AI how to better understand the tasks. Then we have human AI collaboration manager, AI ethics officer, the ones who take care of ensuring the systems are behaving properly. But beyond brand new roles, AI is also transforming our existing roles. It's taking away mundane, repetitive tasks and allowing humans to focus on creative thinking, complex problem solving, interpersonal communication, and strategic decision making. The uniquely human skills AI can't replicate. That means story isn't about AI replacing humans, but AI changing the way we work. However, this brings us to a major challenge. All the people who lost jobs might not have the required skills in the AI era. Studies show that about 77% of the new jobs require advanced qualification, like master's degree or specialized training. This creates a critical skill gap that risks a large portion of workforce behind, unless substantial investments are made in retraining and upskilling programs. Okay, enough with the theories. Let's look at some real-world examples. Take manufacturing for examples. In modern factories, AI-based robots do the regular job, like assembling and scanning them for defects. That part of the process is faster and more consistent than it has ever been. As automation takes over more of the workflow, year after year, the human requirement in the production line keeps shrinking, shifting towards oversight and technical management. Much like robots have taken over the repetitive tasks from manufacturing, AI chatbots have taken the repetitive task of the customer support, instantly answering common questions or guiding people through some common troubleshooting. For many companies, this means the first interaction with the customer is mostly AI driven. Humans are still involved in some tricky cases, but as AI is evolving, this gap is narrowing down. But it's not just customer service or manufacturing where AI is making waves. We have all seen how good of a content can AI generate, and it has been massive this year alone. AI generated videos, audios, images, you name it, AI is there everywhere. It's gotten so fast and efficient that creators do not have to shoot or record anymore. AI tools can generate realistic voices, real life avatars, and whole scripts in minutes. Some top influencers are using AI avatars as their digital double, which means they can keep releasing new videos without them physically being present every time. This lets them scale their content creation journey or take a break without losing their customer engagement. And not just that, we have also seen AI influencers, fully digital personalities powered by AI with millions of followers and many brand deals. For example, Lil Mikola, an AI influencer with 2.4 million followers on Instagram, who has even made music videos, is a reminder that not just humans, but even AI can make connections, which we once thought only humans could do. Now, if you're wondering, this is just what's happening out there, here is what real companies are doing. IBM is planning to automate 30% of their back office job roles in the next 5 years, which means a lot of jobs will be restructured and eliminated. Banks on the Wall Street are looking for AI to do their data entry tasks, which means again thousands of roles will be eliminated. On the flip side, IDEA introduced AI chatbots to handle customer queries and retrain their existing employees to become interior design advisors. So instead of cutting jobs, they made their jobs even better. Gaming giant King Digital Entertainment, the studio behind the most popular game Candy Crush, used AI to speed up their game level designs, which meant restructuring, but it also means they're looking for new AI skilled professionals. It's not just them. This wave of AI driven change extends to the top of the business worlds. Companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are heavily investing in AI and automation, rolling out new systems across logistics, cloud service, advertising, and product development. So while AI is taking over repetitive and manual tasks, it's also pushing humans towards more creative, supervisory, strategic roles which play to our uniquely human strengths. However, here's the critical point. Like I mentioned before, this new AI era jobs requires advanced trainings. Around 77% of these jobs requires upskilling. Currently, only 6% of the workers use AI tools in their job, and about 41% feel unprepared to adapt. So, the most important question is, what should you focus on? Start by exploring how AI tools can automate the dull parts of your job. Combining tech fluency with human skills like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking will be your secret weapon in the evolving workplace. If you have been following our channel, then you know that we have covered about 125 plus AI tools, including the ones which you can use to automate, to build your web application, or to enhance your day-to-day activities. This practical skills is what makes the difference between being left behind and staying ahead of the curve in this AI-driven world. And it's not just us, there are thousands of channels and resources from where you can learn about AI for free right now. The key is to identify what are the tasks in your daily routine which can be taken care by AI while it enhances your productivity, and learn them and adapt them. The bottom line, AI is here to shake things up, but humans who embrace it and adapt will shape the future. So my question to you is, how are you preparing for this new world? Drop your thoughts below. Let's get the conversation going. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out on upcoming videos. Remember, the future isn't about humans versus AI, it's humans with AI working together to create better opportunities. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay ahead of the curve.